Hey, Sparkle fam, Julie Ball here, founder and chief sparkler at Sparkle Hustle Grow. I'm here today doing the May 2020 unboxing of the Sparkle Hustle Grow box, which is a monthly subscription box and online community for female entrepreneurs. I just want to say, first of all, this has been a crazy month for us as a business because we switched warehouses, and that's a big deal for a company like us. And so I just want to start by saying thank you to all of our subscribers for subscribing and having grace and patience with us as we work through the kinks of this new back-end operation, and with the volume of parcels so up right now, so increased. Things took a little bit longer to arrive. So thank you guys for your grace and your patience on that. Without further ado, let's dive in. It is the Maybox theme was Lead the Way. And typically, we have another change to show you. Typically, when you open up your box, you get your Yay It's Here card. And we had some feedback from subscribers that they were losing their cards. So inside, we always had a card that was the packing list. We had a card that had the training on it, which was really important because it had a code on there to access your free training for the month. And then there was a take action checklist, and there's so all these different cards. Well, this month, we made a workbook, and this is what we're going to be doing in the future. I'm so excited. They turned out absolutely beautiful. But when you open it up each month, you're first going to see a message from me and then your packing list. That way you can see what's in the box, make sure that you have everything. If you're not sure what something is, you've got a little description of what it is. So we've got the packing list. Then you have your take an action checklist. This helps our subscribers have a little bit of accountability. The whole idea behind this box is it's a business building membership. It's a box that's going to help you grow your business. But the stuff in the box can help you in your office. But if you don't do the work, if you don't do the online training, you don't read the book every month, it's not going to help you grow. So we created this take action checklist, gives you a starting point. And we always start off with a podcast, and we give you some accountability to make sure you've registered for your online training. Then next in the workbook is some information about this month's guest expert. Her name is Angela Hosking, and this month our subscribers got the Lady Boss Leadership Program. It's a $297 value, and it's a course on leading with confidence and compassion. I absolutely love Angela. She is a friend of mine. She's been a sparkler for a long time, and she is just amazing when it comes to leadership. She's got years and years of experience, and we're gonna be talking about her a little bit later when we pull out the book. So then in the workbook, we've also included some space for notes so that every single month as you go through the training, you have a place to put all of your notes. Keep it all in one place. Then we've got information about the book, which I'm gonna show you shortly. We do a book study in our Facebook group for subscribers. And so we help you stay accountable to reading the book. And all you have to do is read like 10 or 15 minutes a night. Put down your phone before you're going to bed and pick out that book. So you got some space for notes on your book. And then there's a little bit of information about how you can earn free boxes through our referral program, a little bit about the Facebook community and our team. I'm so excited to be rolling out these workbooks. I cannot wait to hear what our subscribers have to say about them. And our hope is that it makes it really easy. I am holding this vision of all of our subscribers in their beautiful offices, putting this right on the shelf. And each month, it'll be easy to refer back to if you say, oh, I really want to work on my leadership this month. You pull this back out and you know exactly where to start. Okay, let's dive into the goodies. So we've got this pencil pouch from Poppin'. Look at how gorgeous this is. It is a shiny gold one, and inside it is purple lined. Just this beautiful thing that you can put in your bag. You can use it for makeup if you want. If you don't want to use it for pencils and pens and highlighters, you could just put change in there. You could put things in there so that you don't have a mess in your work bag or your purse. But I'm going to be using this in my office. I'm super excited. And it came with matching set of notebooks. So these are 3 soft cover mini notebooks. They are let me just open them up so you can see. Hold on one second. They are gold, rose gold, and silver. Look how pretty and shiny. There's the silver one, and then there's the rose gold one. And inside says, right on. So then they're just lined. So what I'm gonna do with these is I'm gonna put one by my bedstand, I'm gonna put one in my work bag, and then probably like one just at my desk or maybe in the console of the car. Reason being is because sometimes you just never know where inspiration's gonna strike or where you're gonna come up with your next big idea. And so often I'm like, I just need to write something down. I need to get it out of my head. I don't want to forget it. And so by having these little mini notebooks in these beautiful, like inspiring metallic colors, then you can be inspired. You can put down your ideas anywhere you're at. Okay, next in the box, this is so cool. This is by Stylo. It's called a magnet air mount. It is a vent clip car mount. And so when you open this up, you can see what it is. On the back, I'm not gonna open this one right now, but on the back, this actually clips into your vent. It just like slides right onto it. And the front of it has a magnet. Now, don't worry if your cell phone isn't magnetic, like if it doesn't have a magnetic case. It gives you all kinds of options. So option one is a rectangular plate. So you can take this plate out of the box and put it in between your case and your cell phone, and then that automatically makes it magnetic. Then you can clip it right into the box or right into the clip in your car. The second one is there is an adhesive little magnet. So you can clip that right onto either the back of your device or you can put it actually on the case. So this is so cool. This is gonna keep your hands off the phone when you're driving, and it'll make it nice and just, it's so convenient and it's so pretty. These all came in this rose gold color. So we always try to include a tech gadget, and that's this month's tech gadget, the magnet air mount. From time to time, we include a little goodie in the box, and this month is one of those months. We've included 2 macaroons by Poppies. This one is the coconut macaroon, and this one is the coconut chocolate macaroon. These guys are packed with flavor. They're so good. Non-GMO, and I bet a lot of kids are gonna steal these. So when you open your box, grab these before your kids do. Shh. Okay, last thing in the box is always our book. And I mentioned earlier, our friend Angela Hosking is our guest expert for the month, and she's also the author of this month's book. It's called Woman on Top, Lead Like a Lady Boss. And this book came out last year, but Angela created a special edition for us, and it has a extra chapter just for the lady bosses. So let me just tell you a couple of the table of contents. So there are trust building exercises. There's respect building exercises. There's things that it's going to help you build relationships across different levels of, your vendors, your other departments if you're in a larger organization. It's going to talk to you about increasing optimism, not only for yourself, but for your team and your customers. This book is just so good. I devoured it. It is an easy read, and Angela is just really relatable, and it's almost like she's a girlfriend talking to you about this. I feel like so many leadership books are so masculine and written from a male's perspective. And while I can get a lot of information and a lot of great advice from that, sometimes I just want to sit down with a girlfriend and be like, give it to me, like tell it to me like it is. How do I handle this from a perspective of a female, where I might want to handle it a little differently than I would if I were a guy or if I were in corporate America, that type of thing. So I really enjoyed this book, and I think you will too. Woman on Top, Lead Like a Lady Boss by Angela Hosking. I hope you enjoyed your May box. I cannot wait to dive into everything with our subscribers, doing the book study and going through the course together. I think it's going to be so valuable, and we're all going to come out on the other end as better leaders. Now, every single month I try to give a spoiler about what's coming next, and I don't know if you heard, but the June box is on sale now, and it includes the book Superfans by the one and only Pat Flynn. I am so excited because I've been following Pat Flynn for years. He is a entrepreneur, a thought leader, a husband, a dad, and just an all-around good guy. And he's the podcast host of the popular podcast Smart Passive Income. He's written several books, but this one, guys, this is the one that just spoke to me. It's called Superfans: The Easy Way to Stand Out, Grow Your Tribe, and Build a Successful Business. Now, in June, again, the June box is on sale now. We sold out in May, so if you're thinking about it, you guys make sure you snag your June box before we sell out. So our theme for June is build your audience. So we're gonna be talking about all kinds of ways to build your audience, and this is one of them. This is all about creating those loyal, raving fans that are gonna have your back, and they're gonna just scream it from the rooftops about how much they love you. And we try to build super fans with our subscription box because there's a lot of loyalty. We try to provide a ton of value, and we try to give them a really, really good experience. One of those things where we feel like they can't live without us. And so this book, Superfans, really spoke to me, and I thought that it would be a really good fit for our subscribers. So all you June box subscribers, you can look forward to this coming in the mail. You guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And thank you for subscribing and supporting us. This is a crazy time to be doing business. And we're grateful for those who have been subscribing for a long time, who are giving us a try for the first time. We are just sending so much gratitude. So if you want to snag your June box and get in on all the goodies, the online community, the book study, the training, and you just want to grow your business alongside a group of smart, driven women entrepreneurs, head over to sparklehustlegrow.com and snag your box. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.